SOLIDWORKS Plastics Professional adds features and horsepower to solve more complex problems with greater ease. This plastic cover is bolted to two hoist hooks on either side of the hatch. Since it has an asymmetric design, both a right and left-handed version are required for the Nemo submarine. We'll start by adding material for the plastic injection analysis. The material database is key to any plastic simulation, and over the years SOLIDWORKS has added over 100 new material models and updated over 1500 materials to improve fill, pack and warp accuracy. For this part we'll choose a Delrin material. The new injection location advisor gives immediate feedback on where to place your injection points. It even automatically solves for the optimal pull direction based on your geometry. But for this model we've decided to go with a sketch-based runner using the updated and simplified runner tool. Just click the sketch segment and choose the dimensions. The new flip dimension button makes it even easier to build your own custom runner, and now there's no need to define the number of elements for each segment, it's computed automatically. We need a family mould to create cavities for both the right and left-handed components. In SOLIDWORKS Plastics Professional, we can use the new symmetry boundary condition. This will create a virtual opposite-handed cavity in one step. Simply click on a plane that cuts through the screw and the new cavity and associated runner is created. But what if you need a family mould with multiple cavities of the same part? The new cyclic boundary condition allows you to create additional virtual cavities in the circular pattern. Just click the center sprue sketch line, the number of cavities you want, and you're done. And of course, if you choose to model your runner system using solid geometry, both the symmetry and cyclic boundary conditions can also be used. When it comes time to solve the analysis, the run button is only a right click away from the top of the tree. And when analysing your fill, pack and cool studies, turning on the symmetry option allows you to visualise the full virtual cavity. SOLIDWORKS Plastics Professional combines additional functionality, simpler pre-processing and powerful automation to get accurate plastic injection simulation results faster. For more information, contact SolidX today.